Hey everyone, I'm Anna Berry in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine and Julie, the Executive Director of TSET. All right, we are making, I think, what might be my favorite little thing to snack on, delicious buffalo roasted cauliflower. Chef, how do we do this?
Okay, so we're gonna make these easy peasy little buffalo bites, okay, with cauliflower. So just a better alternative than chicken wings, right? Super easy. You can either buy the florets already broken up in the produce section, or you can buy ahead and cut it yourself, which is, even cheaper. We're just sprinkling on a little bit of cornstarch, great for if you're trying to be gluten-free.
Oh, what does the cornstarch do?
That's gonna help the sauce stick to it a little bit better. Because the cauliflower, if you wash it and then cut it up, it can be obviously wet still.
Okay.
So this is gonna help absorb any of that moisture and help the buffalo sauce. You can choose whatever kind you want. So this is one of those recipes that's better, but still this sauce has a lot of sodium. So you might try to go for a sodium reduced variety.
Okay.
So this is just going to get all tossed together and then thrown in this pan and then into the oven until it's nicely roasted.
All right.
And you need to use fresh, not frozen.
Yeah, I think that you won't be able to get, that's a great question. I think that you won't be able to get quite enough caramelization or a little bit of crispiness if you tried to use the frozen, but I didn't give it a try, so I'm not positive.
Might be a cauliflower tot.
Yes.
Right? Really mushy.
I love cauliflower and the nutritional benefits of that as well. You said there's a lot of fiber. So Julie, I want to talk a little bit about the importance of TSET. Tell our viewers a little bit about TSET and how you're all about bringing nutrition to Oklahomans.
Yeah, so TSET is the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust, and one of our programs is Shape Your Future. And we try to make it easy for Oklahomans to make healthy choices. So having kind of that treat meal that has a little more fiber and nutrition, making sure that you're eating the rainbow, getting all of the different vegetables that we have, and also, acknowledging that it needs to be easy. You're in the kitchen, you've got soccer, whatever. You need to be able to put something on the table that your family is going to eat, but is also good for them. So we have resources at shapeyourfutureok.com where families can look at lists, recipes, how to get active, all of those things. We want to make it easy for Oklahomans to help improve their health.
I love that. It's so important. I could see kids loving this, like you said, an alternative to buffalo chicken wings, and now we've got buffalo cauliflower. So once you've got it all seasoned, what do we do next?
We're just going to throw this in the oven, and it's going to probably take 20 to 30 minutes, probably at a higher temperature, 375, 400. If you have convection in your oven, use that to circulate a little bit more air, create a little more caramelization. Otherwise, throw it in at 400 and call it good.
Okay, is it tasting time?
It absolutely is.
Okay, you want to do it with me?
Yeah, let's do
go.
it.
You have a little ranch if you want, but it totally doesn't need it.
I love how it's just a little crispy. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Yum.
And you can do this with broccoli. You could do it even with potatoes. Just something to, give it a little spice.
It's very good.
Good.
Very good.
This is the perfect game day snack, after school snack.
Totally.
Might even go nice with a piece of meat like a steak or a pork chop or chicken, right? I could go on. I can go on. But we're out of time. We want to encourage you to do this at home. Check out the recipe, kjrh.com. Make this for yourself. Make this for your family. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.